Hi and welcome to Learner's Coach. So we are going to see how to secure a Word document with password. The reason as to why it is very critical that you secure your Word document is maybe because of sensitivity of the information that is within that particular Word document. So we are not saying that every Word document should be secured, right? So if you feel that whatever content that you have within the Word document has some value or is somehow confidential, these are the right approach to use. So we are going to look at how to secure a Word document with password. So I've already opened my sample Word document that I'm going to use for this. I'm using Microsoft Word 2016, but if you're using any higher version or a version higher than 2010 or 2010, the steps are still the same, so you can still use this particular tutorial that I'm showing you. So for you to use the password, you simply go to the file menu, click on the file, then within the info area we have different options. So proceed to the protect document, click on the protect document. Also we have different options here, so strictly go to the encrypt with password option, right? So click that, then a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter your password. So just enter a simple password. Now there's a caution here: if you forget the password for this particular document, then forget about the document itself. So if the content are very important, ensure that the password that you give or put here, you can always remember it or put it a place that you can easily retrieve. So I just put the password, right? Then you click OK. Re-enter the password, click OK again, right? So maybe we can effect the changes by saving the document. So save, right? Then you can close it. Just close that document, open it again. Let's open it again. So it should prompt us for a password. So you can see. So you supply the password that you had entered. So if you forget password at this point, like let's say for example I entered the wrong one. Let's see what it's going to tell us. So the password is incorrect. So ensure that you can always, so say you can't access the content, right? So you have to give the right password. I'll start it again. So this time I'll give it the right password. Click OK. There we go. So I can be able to retrieve my the contents of my Word document. If you want to remove the password, simply go to the file again under the info, click on that, go up again to the encrypt with the password, then you simply remove the password and click OK. So that's a simple way of removing the password, right? Then ensure that you save your work. Now suppose you want to restrict the editing of the content itself. Like for example, you can say I can delete, you can say I'm deleting some part of the document, I can move it around. Suppose maybe for security purposes you don't want anyone to be able to edit the content. Okay, just open, but they should not be able to edit the content, right? So the same, you can always do it by restricting the edition of your document through password. So we'll go to file again, file menu, still under the info, I go to the protect document, then click on restrict editing option, right? So on the right side of your window pane, you can see restrict editing. On the right side you can see. So you proceed to the second option, click on the that particular checkbox, right? So there are different options here. Yeah, so if you want to allow someone to just track changes or comments, filling forms, you can select them. But right now you don't want any change completely. Yeah. Then we have the exceptions. Yeah. So if you want to maybe allow someone to change the parts of the document, here is where you can do it. Right now you don't really need. So we proceed to the third option, start enforcement. Then you just click yes, start enforcement. But before I start enforcement, let me just try to type something. You can say I'm able to type, yeah, like module 1, right? But should I start enforcement, yeah, I'll be requested to supply or give a password. So ensure that the password also you can remember, re-enter that password again, yeah. You can also use the option of user authentication. This is whereby when your computer is configured, you can use your passwords, yeah, for username and passwords when you the one that you use to log into your computer. But for this time, let's use the password option. Yeah, then you click OK, right? Now I want to delete the module 1 that first of all you can save to effect the changes. Yeah. So if I try to delete, you can say I'm trying to use my cursor, move it. Yeah, you can see there's nothing. Yeah, I can't really edit the contents of this particular Word document. Yeah, so again, you can stop the protection. You can see on the bottom right, just click on the stop protection. Then you have to enter the password that you gave it. Yeah, so be very, very careful with the passwords that you enter, because if you forget or you don't remember the password, then you're going to lose the content of your Word document. So I hope this one is going to be helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.